and we're recording, and there are attendees, and they're coming on in. Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're in your PJs, because rumor has it it's 26 degrees outside in Acton, Massachusetts, and that is not okay. So I'm hoping it's Saturday morning and you're in your footy pajamas. You're getting ready for a story time.
For some comfy overalls.
Yes. Wait, so can we please talk about your overalls? Which, like, you know, I was a 90s kid. So there was a minute when, okay, perfect. So remember when overalls were a thing when we were in middle school, and it was like, this is the only thing we're wearing?
Yes.
So can you talk about your overalls and where you got them and why they're amazing?
Oh, well, I got these. Where did I get these? I think I got them at Marshall's for under $20. So I love a good deal, let me tell you. And I like them because they're loose and comfy, and they have pockets for putting all of my drawing things in.
Yes.
And, you know, I can put like this spoon in my pocket.
Yes.
Yes. So
this is the greatest thing.
Really, it's so convenient. So
that is the absolute best. Pockets, first of all, are the best. Comfy is the way to go. But the best thing about overalls is that it's denim. So you look like you got dressed, right? Like you're super comfy and you got dressed. This is the greatest thing ever.
Yes.
These are the secrets to life.
Under my beautiful night sky here for our story
time. And so our friends are here, so I'm going to get us started. So good morning. My name is Kira Wilson Cook. We're going to talk about this. Good morning. My name is Kira Wilson Cook. I am the events coordinator for the Silver Unicorn Bookstore. I am delighted to be here with author illustrator Maddie Frost, who is the best as you can see. And she is here to read to you this morning her brand new book. Pick it up, Wakey Birds. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love your artwork. I just love this. I'm so excited. So Maddie is going to be reading her book, and then she's going to do some illustrations for us. For those of y'all who are parents who have kiddos in their footy pajamas, I just want you to know this is a Zoom webinar, which means that we cannot see you and we cannot hear you. So this is a safe space for you to leave your precious one with their iPad, enjoy a good story, and feel like everything's going to be okay, because hey, guess what, y'all? Everything's going to be okay. You're in good hands. Yes. I promise. It's just going to be giggly and pink and fun this morning.
Yay!
And I'm trying to think if there's anything else. This is the part where I'm like, I'm rambling, because I know I'm rambling.
Maddie, no, I don't think so. And if you guys so I was going to show you guys how to draw a Wakey Bird after I read the story. So if you want to grab some paper and something to draw with, that would be great. Yeah.
Or a whiteboard. See, I tried. I really did try.
Yes.
I tried. So this is perfect. Have fun. Maddie, you're amazing. We're just delighted always to host you. It is the best. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you so much for having me. It is an honor and a pleasure.
So I'll be back after you read. You know what? You can just let me know. I'm always in the background, but when you're ready to see me again, I'll be
Okay. Sounds awesome. Thanks, Kyra.
Have fun.
Thank you. Okay. Hey guys. So I'm Maddie Frost, and I am here in this pink room in my house in Grafton, Massachusetts. This book is my new book. It first came out with a UK publisher called Templar, and it came out last year. And now it's published in the US, which is where I live, with Candlewick Press. And so this book, Wakey Birds, was inspired by, I have trouble sleeping. So I'm not a good sleeper. I think a lot. I worry a lot. Sometimes I have bad dreams, and then I'm up all night and I have to go down and get a snack or a cup of milk to just calm myself down and get to bed. So I don't know if you guys have trouble sleeping anytime. So I do too. So you're not alone there. But this is a story about one little Wakey bird who just could not fall asleep, and she causes a little bit of trouble in the jungle. So let's get cozy. Maybe grab your favorite stuffed animal or a blanket, and let's enjoy a story on a nice, chilly Saturday morning. Okay, so The jungle is an exotic place full of fascinating creatures. One of the most interesting species is called the Wakey Bird. Peep. Wakey birds get their name because they have trouble falling asleep. If we take a closer look, we can see why. They can't get comfortable. They are easily spooked. Achoo! Ah! They have lots of big thoughts. Ooh, what's he thinking about over here? You guys have big thoughts? I know you do. I know you do have big thoughts. They get itchy. Ooh, scratch, scratch. Peep. What's he doing up there? He's upside down. Thankfully, the jungle also has soothing shushers and go to sleep leapers. A soothing shusher looks like this. Shh, shh. And a go to sleep leaper looks like this. Go to sleep. These creatures help settle the wakey birds down with calming noises. Shh, shh. Go to sleep. Yawn. Shh, shh. Then the birds go back to their nests where they finally close their eyes and drift off to sleep. Except for the littlest wakey bird. Peep! Oops. That's the thing about these vertical pages. You just don't know which way the next one goes. Tonight, she is just not tired. Beep! It's not much fun being the only one awake. I know that. Peep! Instead of sleeping, she wants to play a game of hide and go peep. But there are no other wiggies to come and find her. Aww. Peep, she is getting lonely. Aww. Poor little wakey bird. She is getting very sad. Aww. She's getting, uh-oh, a stick. To wake the others up. Bang, 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 bang. If you have something to bang, bang it now. Of course, they are delighted to join the fun. Chirp, tweet, crick, cheep, coo, squawk. Oof. What's he doing upside down? They're awake. Ah! But now things have become very loud. These wiggies need to watch out. Tweet, go to sleep. Crick, grrr. Shh, cheep. Shush. Or they'll wake up the loudest animal in the jungle. What would it be? I don't know. It's the shrieking monkey. Chirp, squeak, quack, squawk, peep, chirp, cheep, cheep, squawk, squawk, cheep, 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 cheep. Shriek. loud. Chirp, squeak, coo, cheep, 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 coo, 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 cheep, cheep, cheep. No, 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 it is definitely way too loud. And this time they really need to be careful or they will disturb the one animal that should never, ever be disturbed. The dreaded jungle beast. Who dares disturb my slumber? Go. It was you, little Wakey Bird. You're causing all of this trouble. Oh dear, the dreaded jungle beast has come out of his cave. The littlest Wakey Bird is so scared she can't move. She had better speak up before she gets chomped. Peep, peep, I can't sleep. Well then, I know just what to do with you. Wait here. Oh no. The dreaded jungle beast goes back into his deep, dark cave. What is he doing? The littlest Wakey Bird is scared she'll become a midnight snack. She's trembling with terror. Finally, the beast returns with a stomp, stomp, stomp. He's carrying a great big... I can't do it. I can't turn the page. I can't. He's carrying a great big storybook. Peep. Whew, I don't know about you, but I was a little scared there. Whew. It's just a book. It's just a book. Whoa. And the book is called A Very Long History of the Jungle. Now, I don't know about you, but a book that big would put me right to sleep. The Wakey Birds have never heard a story before. They huddle in nice and close. Once upon a time, long, long ago. And the dreaded jungle beast begins to read in his deep, beastly voice. Did you like my beastly voice? On. Oh, tired. Sorry. Ooh, getting sleepy. Soon, the Wakey Birds aren't feeling so wakey anymore. But the littlest Wakey Bird is still not asleep. Peep. Wakey Bird, go to sleep. I'm really tired and I was up all night. Never mind. Whew. She is now. Oh. Just a little cuddle from a jungle beast. Isn't that nice and cozy? Sometimes all you need is just a good hug, right? And the rest of the jungle is too. Look at that night scene. Can you guys identify some of those animals in there with their silhouettes? Let's see, there's whose cave is that? Jungle Beast cave. And Lizard? What is that right there? Can you tell what that is? Soothing shusher. What's that? You said owl. You're right. And you can see all the different wakey birds and their nests. It's in the tree. Oh, turtle. Crocodile. We should probably let these jungle animals get some rest. So we should close the book. And the end. And I hope you guys liked that. Did you enjoy that? If you enjoy it, clap. Oh, I can feel the love. I can feel it. Yay. Thank you so much. Yay! Thank you guys. So if you want to join me, if you have to go, it's totally fine. Maybe you didn't have breakfast yet and you want to grab some cereal. Thanks for joining me for the reading. But if you would like to do some, to draw a Wakey Bird, grab some paper, something to draw with, and let's draw.
Can you talk to me while you're drawing, Maddie? That was the best. That really was. That was the best. Yes. Yeah, get us started, and then I'm going to ask you some questions while we are.
Oh, yeah,
drawing.
sure. Oh, we're going to draw a Wakey Bird.
Perfect.
Because the book is called
Wakey Birds. Yes.
Okay, so I don't have a really fancy whiteboard or anything. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to draw a step, and then I'll show you that step. So you just have to follow along. These birds are just made of some simple shapes. I think if you guys can draw shapes, you can draw really much anything, really. So let's start. I'm going to start with a shape, just a half circle, or it kind of looks like the bottom of a boat.
Boat.
Or like a really big smile, but just a half circle, yeah.
Okay, half circle, got you.
Good job. And next we're going to put in the Wakey Bird's neck. So I'm just gonna draw a well, this neck's kind of big, but that's okay. A tall number 11. And you can put it on either side of the front of the boat there. Yeah.
Number 11, tall,
Okay, yeah. And then we're gonna draw the head on top of that number 11. So it's just a circle, and circles are actually kind of hard to draw. So just do the best you can. I can never really draw a good circle. Let's see.
Oh.
Yep.
Yeah, circle.
And if your Wakey Bird doesn't look like my Wakey Bird, that's okay, because we all do different, we have different styles, right? That's what makes us unique. So let's give this a Wakey Bird some legs. So a number 11, just 2 lines below your little boat there.
Okay, another 11, gotcha. Yep. I'm good at those. I'm good at 11, yep.
And then they have these little feet where they're just 3 little lines that come out like this. So let's see, 1, 2, 3. There's 1 foot, little feet, wakey feet. And then you'll do the other one too. Cool. Looking like Mo Willems' pigeon right now. My neck is a little long, but that's okay. It's going to be a different kind of Wakey Bird. The long neck kind. Okay, so let's see. He needs, I'm gonna give him an eyeball. So it's just another circle in the bigger circle, like that. Okay. Great, and you can give them a little eyeball. Depending on where you put it, make him looking in a certain direction. So maybe he's looking back.
Oh, look at that. Okay.
And you could make him put it over here and make him looking forward.
Okay.
So
make him looking forward. Forward looking. Oh. Okay. Yep.
And then we'll give him a beak. So we can
Two
just
triangles.
2 triangles or 1 triangle if you want his mouth closed.
Okay. 1. Oh, looking weird. Okay. Okay. Okay.
I don't like drawing on the spot. It's kind of scary, but I will do it for the kids. Just kidding. Not okay. All right. So he needs a hairdo.
Yes. We're going to talk about your hairdo. I do want to talk about that. Yes. Let's talk about that.
Let's see. So you guys can really just pick out your own style if you want, or you could pick one from the book. Here are a couple. They're almost like little, if you were to think of pipe cleaners or something that will curl around. These are pipe clean. I made my own little design here. But make your own hairdo. Like you can make it crazy to like pigtails coming out, or maybe just a crown. Whatever you want. Yeah, I'm gonna do what I have on my head here. So I'll do like sort of like that.
That's great. Yes.
Yes. So, and then he is missing, what else is he missing? Can you guys tell? He doesn't have
tail. Like a tail. He needs a tail.
He needs a tail.
Yes.
So it's just a little triangle, but you could design your own tail. Like maybe it's really feathery and fluffy on the end. Kind of looks like maybe something like this leaf here. Maybe it's a dog tail. Why not, right? It's your Wakey Bird. And let's give them a little wing. So it's just another, you can just draw the same boat shape just within that bigger boat. Small boat and a little boat.
Yeah. That's easy. Oh, yes.
Yeah, and then maybe you have a little, to put him on the page, a little shadow. You just have, all you do is just color a little scribble underneath his feet, and it makes it look like he's just standing kind of in a space. Little tip. And that is how you draw a Wakey Bird. You guys, let's see Kyra. Oh, Kyra, I love it. Oh, look at that. I love that hairdo. That's really great.
Thank you.
Guys.
I hope y'all draw too. Yay. So can we talk about how to make your own Wakey Bird headband just like you did? Can you tell the audience like how you did that? Yes.
Sure. Yeah. Actually, this was just a headband that I purchased at the craft store. It was already red like this, but you could, if you wanted to, you could cover it with maybe a different color felt. I know that they sell plastic ones and you can just cover it with felt, maybe use have a parent use a hot glue gun to hold it in place. And then I took a couple popsicle sticks and I put the popsicle sticks, I glued them down to the headband, and I wrapped a bigger, I'll take it off and show you guys, a more puffier pipe cleaner around it. And then I just kind of glued these little pom-poms on 3 different pipe cleaners and just stuck them right in on top. And that is how you make your own Wakey hairdo. It's very nice. I wear it all the time around the house. Just makes me feel good.
That is fabulous. That is a great craft to do on a cold, frosty day like this. Definitely. Yes, that is amazing. Oh. Is there anything special that we should look for after we purchase our Wakey Birds at the Silver Unicorn or on silverunicornbooks.com and it comes home? Like, are there any fun Easter eggs or fun things we should look for?
Yeah, that's a good question. I don't think so. I think for this book, I really focused 100% on the art. It was a really, really, really hard book for me. Probably one of the hardest books I've ever worked on. And I think
Really?
because it's set at night, and I really wanted the little Wakey Bird to stand out. So figuring out the colors for everyone was really hard. And if you notice, I don't know if you guys picked this up, but when the other animals in the jungle are asleep, they're in this blue color. And then when they're awake, from the Wakey Bird, they have bits of yellow on them. So it is a way for me to communicate and express just something in the art that shows them asleep and them awake without having to change too much of the colors. Because if I had them colorful, then we'd have too many colors on the page, and the Wakey Birds are colorful. So I don't know if you guys noticed that, but there are bits of yellow when the animals are awake versus when they're asleep. So I guess maybe that would be the Easter egg. Yeah.
That is very cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that is super cool. So how long did it take you to do this book, since it was so difficult?
Yeah, it took a while. I think it was probably like a year-long process. Yeah, year and a half. Yeah, I had to do all the sketches and sketch it out, and some things worked, some things didn't work. And so, yeah, there was a lot of playing around for this book, especially with trying to figure out how I wanted the art to look for the book. But I really am happy with it. I think I had a great art director and editor at Templar, who really helped out a lot and was very supportive on the design and the art. So yeah, it was definitely a team group project, which was really, really great. So yeah.
That's wonderful. Oh, it is. It's
smells
just
good too.
It's fabulous.
Smells new.
Yeah. Oh, it is. It's just too fabulous.
Yeah.
So what are you working on now? When do we get to see you again with your new book?
So let's see. Right now I'm working on a book called it's a Let's Draw drawing book, and that will come out in a couple years. But it's a step-by-step drawing book of drawing animal critters. So I love to draw. I was an art teacher for a while before I was a full-time artist. So anytime I can show kids how easy it is to just use their own creativity and shapes, put them together and make some really cool, unique art, I love it. So yeah, yay. And then this June, Just Be Jelly comes out. So it's a jellyfish and a sardine. And if you like comic panels and sort of comic-y style art, it is like just like that. Just like Smug Seagull, if you read Smug Seagull.
Loved Smug Seagull.
Yay!
Loved it. Yes.
So it's sort of like a follow-up to that. Yeah, there is an Easter egg in there. So
Cannot wait.
Yeah.
We hope we see you again for that, because we love reading your books and seeing your books. Yay. And when you read your books, it's the best.
Oh gosh, and I'll have an underwater background.
Love it. Yes, love the space. Just love the space. Love the whole vibe. This has been so special. I don't see anything in the Q&A or in the chat, that we have a lot of friends here. So
nice.
Just like random, like one last thought that you have for our friends who are still in their footy pajamas and eating some breakfast.
Well, thank you guys so much for joining me. It makes me so happy, and I love what I do so much, and I love being able to share it with you guys. And so thank you for all your support and for hanging out with me, and I hope I can continue to make books and funny books and make you guys laugh for as long as I can. So thank you so much.
That is the best. This one's just the best. Okay, so hold up the book again. The book is Wakey Birds by Maddie Frost, the amazing Maddie Frost. It is available to you at the Silver Unicorn Bookstore right now, and it's also available at silverunicornbooks.com. Please feel free to just check out our website and see, this beautiful book. And yes, Smug Seagull. And you had a book before Smug Seagull that is available.
Oh, Animalbiles.
Yes.
Yeah, Animalbiles is really cute. If you like animals and cars and you think they're cool together, that's what it is.
Yes. Yep. It's so nice to have a catalog. I just think it's just so cool that you have you have a catalog going. It's super cool. It is. So this has just been amazing. So Silver Unicorn, we're open. Come see us, or silverunicornbooks.com. We will see you again, Maddie, very soon. please check out our website for events coming up. We do have events in February. I need to update the website. That's happening this weekend. The most upcoming event that we have is actually for our middle grade readers and for anybody who loves sports and anybody who loves baseball. And as we celebrate Black History Month, I will be interviewing author and journalist Andrea Williams, as she just released her new book, Baseball's Leading Lady, which is about Etha Manley. She is the only woman in the Baseball Hall of Fame. She's a Black woman who owned her own Negro Baseball League team.
Wow.
And I'm reading it right now, and it is incredible. It is for anyone. It's for your younger reader, so it's like formatted for younger readers. As you can see, there's like a lot of space in between those words and lines. But if you are just a person who loves sports journalism and sports in general, then you're an adult who's going to love this book. So check it out. It's at the bookstore now, and the event is on the 2nd of February and at 7 p.m. So you can register for that on our website and check out our other events there as well. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay warm today, y'all. It's cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
And it is super cold. And get this book and then cozy up to it. You're amazing, Maddie.
Oh, you guys, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it so much. Love yous.
Yes, love y'all too. Have a great day, y'all.
Bye, guys. Happy
Bye.
weekend.